So, good morning to the teachers and students. Today we'll be doing a lab about physics and in particular movement and velocity, and that's how fast this car will be going, and velocity is displacement over time with direction, so it's not just a scalar. Within this experiment, you can have groups of 2 or 3 children depending on what tasks you want to give to people. So one kid could be student, could be looking at the time or measuring the 1 meter you need, and there's all different steps you can take to make the kids enjoy this experiment.
For this experiment, the supply you need are pen and the data table to write your data in. You need a ruler to measure 1 meter of distance, a tape to tape that 1 meter, toy car, which is your control, so you'll be using toy car, scissors for cutting anything you need, but you have to be careful when using the scissors not to cut yourself, a flat surface for making a ramp or an inclined plane, a clock or a stopwatch if you have one, a stack of textbook to make the inclined plane.
So this is how to build a ramp. So first a ramp, we need the book. So you measure the book, and then you keep on adding the book to grade the height, and that's going to change a certain angle and change a certain speed. So the second thing you need is you need a meter stick. You measure the meter stick, and then you tape it so that's a clear consistency. And third, you need a flat surface to create where the car is going to run.
And when you create this experiment, the meter is measured from the bottom or foot of the ramp, or also known as inclined plane. So now we're going to demonstrate how the experiment is done, and my partner Nana is going to take the time, and this is something that you can do with your students. One person can be releasing the vehicle and the other can be timing it. So Nana's going to take the time from when it reaches the bottom of the ramp, and the initial height is around 3 centimeters. So here we go.
About 3 seconds.
So that took around 2 seconds. So the next variation will add another textbook, increasing the height and increasing the potential energy, which affects the velocity. So this one's about 4. As you can see, the velocity is increasing as the height increases, and this is a relationship that you should leave up to the kids to figure out and to make connections during the analysis phase. So for the last variation, there's 4 textbooks, and the height has increased to about double the first one. So now we'll see if the height really affects it.
About 1.5 seconds.
So the difference is evident.